Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: email access, two-factor authentication ready, and the Minecraft beta installed. Once done, open the Minecraft launcher and choose the beta profile. This is essential because the account link works only in beta builds. Next, select Sign in with Microsoft and enter your email. Explain why. The Microsoft account ties achievements, purchases, and crossplay to your profile. Make sure to use a secure password and keep the 2FA device nearby so you won't be blocked. You now focus on the detailed linking process. After choosing Sign in with Microsoft, enter credentials and approve the 2FA prompt. This confirms identity and prevents account theft. Then read permission requests carefully and grant only what's required. Minecraft needs profile and Xbox Live access to sync your gamertag and purchases. Once permissions are accepted, wait for confirmation text on screen and verify your gamertag appears. If purchases or skins don't show, force a restart of the beta client to trigger. Finish by verifying your account in Settings under Profile. Your gamertag and sign-in status should display. Then test functionality. Join a multiplayer world or accept a friend invite to confirm crossplay and entitlements. Make sure purchases and skins appear. If something goes wrong, re-authenticate immediately and check system time and date. These often break authentication. Also try clearing the launcher cache or toggling the beta off and on. One troubleshooting tip: enable detailed logs before contacting support so you can show exact errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.